In this video, I'm going to explain to you step by step exactly how to use the Alipay Tour Card. So as you can see, you will need to firstly have the Alipay app, and then you will need to sign up with your US phone number. And then step number 3, choose the Alipay International version. That's very important. Then step number 4, select Tour Pass. And then after that, you will need to enter exactly the amount that you want to be able to tap up the card with basically. So yeah, enter the exact amount that you want to be able to have on that card, basically that you want to deposit on it. Then you will need to add your bank card. Then enter your ID information if asked. And also an important thing to remember here is that you'll need to enter your ID details in exactly the same way that they have registered at your bank basically. And then step number 8 is going to be to complete the load money process. And the final step right here is going to be, once you're all set up, you're able to make Alipay payments in China wherever it's accepted, and simply scan or show your QR code to pay at the checkout. So now when all of this process right here is set up, then to be able to use it, as you can see, then it's actually, as you can see, they explain it is actually really simple. Once you have actually topped up your Alipay account, which is initially done as a part of the sign-up process right here, as you can see that I showed to you before, and then you can now start actually using it. How it works is that when you are in a store, just tap the pay button in your Alipay app. A personal QR code will then pop up, which the merchant will then scan at the checkout, as you can see. And then you'll also spot that Alipay is one of the automatic payments app within other apps. For example, when using ticketing app Taobao to buy cinema tickets, or using car hailing services Didi to get a ride, basically. Yeah, this is like extra information basically, but this is how it actually works. So when you are in a store, once again, just tap the pay button in your Alipay app. A personal QR code will pop up, which the merchant will scan at the checkout. And that is basically exactly how to use your Alipay Tour Pass.